Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making steak and potatoes in the Power XL air fryer grill combo. Alright, I'm starting out in my Power XL air fryer and I have it preheated. We're going to start out with making some potato wedges. Now I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil and spray it into the pan of the air fryer. And guys, this here is, they have it at QVC for $99, which is really a good deal for an air fryer grill combo. Now I have some red skin potatoes I cut into wedges. We're going to get them down in there. And this is a large capacity, which is good because I make a lot of potatoes. This is supper for the family. And my sister-in-law Candy's coming over, Holly's sister, for supper. Great. Give my hands a wipe here. Now I'm going to spray a little more olive oil on top of my potatoes. And I have some of this Badia Saison Complete seasoning. It's garlic, salt, vegetables. I'm going to put some of this in here on the potatoes. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Not a whole lot because there's salt in that. Now I'm going to close my lid down. I'm going to set this on air fry. I'm going to set my temperature at 400 degrees and I'm going to set my time for 20 minutes. Now I'll go in there in about 10 minutes. I'll stir that around, put a little more olive oil in there and put more seasoning in there. Okay, my potatoes are done. You can see they're nice and golden brown. I had to add a few more minutes. It took 25 minutes total. Now I'm going to pull my potatoes out. I have my oven set at 170, the low setting. I'm going to put them in there to hold them, and we're going to fry up. I have 2 top sirloin steaks. I'm going to set this on the grill, get it nice and hot, and we're going to fry those steaks up. Alright, I have this set at 400 for the grill. It's preheated. Now I seasoned my steaks with the same seasoning I seasoned the potatoes with. Add a little salt, and I sprayed some olive oil on them. I'm going to spray a little olive oil in the pan here. And I'm going to get my steaks in here and fry them. And I'm going to try to fit both in at once to save time. I don't know how that's going to work out. And we like our steaks medium well, so I'm going to fry these for about 8 minutes per side. And they're going to grill on the bottom and air fry at the top at the same time, so I'll watch them so they don't burn. Alright, now that my steak's done, I have it set aside resting. These steak juices that's in here, we're going to make a nice sauce for over our steaks. I'm going to start by adding a little bit of sea salt. I'm going to go for about a half a teaspoon, because that's pretty seasoned from that seasoning we put on the steak. I'm going to add in some red wine. I'm going to go for about 1/4 cup. I'm also going to add in some fresh parsley. I'm going to add in a little bit of garlic. And I'm going to add in some capers. Now if you're not familiar with capers, what capers are is they're little cactus flowers that didn't bloom yet, and they're really tasty. Okay, now let me grab a spoon, give that a stir, and I'm going to allow my sauce to reduce. And I have this set on the saute setting. It's at 375 degrees. I'm going to allow this just to reduce a little bit while my steak rests. Alright, my sauce is done reducing down. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Went ahead and served a little bit of that red wine sauce over top of the steak. Get in here and try this. Guys, this steak, super tender, well seasoned. That's really delicious. You get the seasoning on a steak, you get that red wine sauce. Like I said, that's really tender. Let me try a potato here. See, they're nice and golden brown, well seasoned, creamy inside. That's really delicious, and it wasn't really that hard at all. Alright, there you have it, steak and potatoes and a Power XL air fryer grill combo. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.